Hi, I'm Patrick Perry. I'd like to show you washing machine and a dryer. I'd like to show you. Okay, now listen to me, okay, about a washing machine and a dryer. Now listen to me, okay, about a long time ago. His name is Jim Russell. He's from the Westboro Baptist Church. That's the Jim Russell from the Westboro Baptist Church. Yeah, I am in the Jim Russell's home. I stay with the Jim Russell's home. About the dryer. I put a lots of clothes up. I mean washing machine. Okay, washing machine. I put the washing machine. I put a lots of clothes. Yeah, I added to me a clothes on the washing machine. And the Jim Russell say, Patrick, you added to me a clothes. You added to me a clothes. Now listen to me, okay? About, you see the point that a mouse should be moving right here? See that? This is a washing machine. You got to read about washing machine. You got to read. Do not add to me a clothes. This is, if you don't, you're gonna be overload. You be overload for washing machine. Next is the let's see here, washing machine and a dryer. Yeah, a long time ago I used a washing machine and a dryer. I ended the Jim Russell's home a long time ago. It's just like the bow. Yeah, I turn on the washing machine. I turn a dryer. Yeah, I left the both on, and the Jim Russell he saw the washing machine and the dryer, let the both on, and the Jim Russell say, hey Patrick, you washing machine and the dryer, you left the both on. Electrocutor gonna get fire. I'm gonna say, oh no! The Jim Russell say, not two, one washing machine and one dryer, just one. Now listen to me, okay? If you about a washing machine and a dryer, don't let the both on. Don't let the both on. Electrocutor gonna get fire. You understand? Don't let the both on. Washing machine and a dryer. Don't let the both on. You understand? If you don't, electrocutor gonna get fire. Okay. And next is washing machine. A washing machine, do not, because if you do a washing machine, yeah, a long time ago I used a washing machine, because I try to washing machine I try to every day, because it's Jim Russell, he thinking about the washing machine to do because I try to every day. Yeah, my brother Ken, he told me to say, you about a wash. My brother Kenneth say, you do a washing machine, you do every day. you do every day. If you don't, you gonna get wear out. Washing machine, you gonna get wear out. Now listen to me, okay? If you do a washing machine, do not try to do every day. Do not try to do every day. Why you try to do washing machine? Why you try to do once a week? Try to do washing machine. Try to once a week. Washing machine once. Try to once a week. Once a week. Now, and next thing is the dryer. The dryer. Okay, the dryer. Open the dryer lens. A dryer lens. You see how much the inside right here. You got to try to clean up about a dryer lens. You try to clean up and put it inside about make sure that the dryer, if you did not try to clean up open the dryer lens, if you did not clean up the dryer, if you don't, the dryer, you're gonna get fired. The dryer gonna get fired. You understand? If you did not try to clean up the dryer with the lens, you did not clean up. If you don't, the dryer gonna get fired. Well, that's it.